So for those of you who are actually fortunate enough to be able to find a house that you're able to buy these days, you may be wondering, what's the difference between joint tenancy and tenancy in common, the way property is held under a deed? Well, joint tenancy actually means joint tenancy with right of survivorship. So what it means is that if two people are the joint tenants with right of survivorship, if one passes away, it automatically becomes the property entirely of the other person unless there are documents providing for something different, such as a will or trust. But that's a whole nother conversation. Tenants in common tends to be used between people who don't already have a legally established relationship. Usually we think of a marriage or a civil union. But what's really important to know is this, that before you make an investment in property, and for most of us, it's the most major investment we make during our lives, something to be considered even more carefully during these times when interest rates are outrageous. It is worth it to spend the time and money on fees to talk to an attorney who not only has practiced in the area of real estate law for a long period of time, but also has done probate work, transactional work, and partnership agreements. Many of us are in relationships with people to whom we don't have a legal relationship, such as a civil union or a marriage, but you can do a partnership agreement. Otherwise, you know what's going to happen? If you don't plan ahead, you could end up in court on a partition suit to divide your interest in property, and trust me, nobody wants to be there. That's why you should call me, Barb Sherer, the principal at Sherer Law Offices. I've been doing this for over 30 years, and I would like to help you and answer your questions. Call me today at 692-6656 or visit us at shererlaw.com. And good luck that you found a piece of property.